Hello, today we're looking at the BUQ spin scrubber.
What's in the box? Spin scrubber, charging cable, brush heads, and instructions.
As you can see, the actual physical scrubber comes in 3 parts. It's really easy to assemble. They just all click together. So you got that bit, and then the head goes on. So we are going to take a look at scrubbing our shower. One thing to note here is that this does actually have a swivel head, so you can adjust different angles if you can't necessarily get in the same corner. And the arm does telescope by actually loosening it, things like that. If you had something that you really wanted to scrub up high. I don't need it that far right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn it in and have this at 90 degree. Okay, let's put the head on. Okay, when it's on, you'll see it will spin like that. There's a low and there's a high. I did spray the shower with bubbles. Heating up. Rotating the head. So that's scrubbing the shower with that head. So I've attached a different type of head onto the electric spinning brush. This is like a spongy type head. And let's go ahead and use it on the mirror. Kids get toothpaste all over it. Drive them crazy. Go ahead and wipe it off. Scrubbing the back window here, the dog's put all their nose is up against it. So I've shortened this up because obviously I don't need the telescopic arm for cleaning this window. You just literally just snap the stick apart, snap it back accordingly. That's how you do it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for listening and watching our video. This is the BUQ spin scrubber.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.